Hey there, my name is Rebecca Devitt and today we're going to be reviewing the Pride Reading Program. Now if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button now because I'm going to be releasing more videos like this to help you homeschool better. Now Pride Reading is a program that's supposed to be used for special needs students, children with dyslexia or children with processing orders, because it is quite tactile, so children can move letters around, so it's not all in the head, which is nice. Another thing I really liked from a parent's perspective is that it was so scripted, the book is so scripted, so you feel like you can't really go wrong. I also liked how colourful and bright everything was. It made my little boy want to do it. And then this is the Pride Reading Program, the beginning consonants. So we'll go into that one. We're in the ebook now, so this correlates to the lesson B, which we were looking at before. The teacher reads off the text and then they see this picture. So this is B for balloon, make the letter B, the sound B. B. Luke, can you say the letter B?
B.
I just wanted to show you what the teacher's manual looks like. So this is the Pride Reading Program. For that, we're in lesson B. And so you can see that it's very, very scripted as we go through. So you start up here and usually you get review cards, but because this is the first lesson, there's not really any sound cards to review yet. But as you go on later, you'll be reviewing a lot more things. So you can see it's very scripted. Step 1, have student turn to ebook page 3, B balloon. The name of this letter, this is what you read off in blue. The name of this letter is B. What is the name of this letter? The student answers. Luke, the name of this letter is B. Can you say B?
B.
What's the name of that letter, Luke?
B.
So as you can see, you go on and on. So that's step 1, and then you go through phonological awareness. And then this part, finger tracing, correlates to our teacher lesson down here. Finger tracing. So you would say have student open to ebook page 4, which is here. And then this would be the script that you would say to them. So it's really, really easy, as you can see. And then up here are your tools. So you can do drawing, whiteboard, highlighter, sound cards. So if we go into the sound cards, you can get a little bit of a feel for what they're like. So we can go around B. So if you were to review, you would go B, K, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N. So you could easily do a review going through it like this as well. Obviously, if you had the physical copy, you could do that with your physical cards. And then if we go on a little bit, here we have the sound cards, which are a little bit further on in this sequence. And so on. And then they've got the Guess My Word game, pictures with beginning consonants, and then you mark as completed, and that's your lesson for the day or for whenever you want to do it. Now, don't think that you have to do a whole lesson in a whole day. It might be too much. So you can just do little bits if you want. So that's the teacher's manual, and you can go through all the different ones as well. So that's just B.